Welcome back to Gomes Tech Talks channel. I'm Dr. Gomati. In this video, I'm going to show you a website where you can learn any domain, any topic for free. So before going to the topic, I wanted to let you know that this is my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and click the subscribe now, and you can see that you have various options here, various playlists here, where if you click on the skill up playlist you can see a lot of free courses available. So once if you click here, if you just scroll down, you can see various free courses, right from starting from Python towards Gen AI, machine learning, .NET, Java. So you can find everything here, so please go and watch it. Okay, so this is the website which I want to discuss with you. This is Open University. This is a free course offered by Open University. You can click on this particular link. I will leave this link in the description. Okay, so here you can see that you have various options, like various domain, various topics: money and business, education and development, health, sports and psychology, history, language, nature and environment, science, society, digital computing. So you have lot of things here. And once if you click on any one, like there is a drop down, right? Once if you click on any one subject or domain, you can see what are the course title which are available. So you can see building relationship with donors. Okay, so this is the course and this is 6 hours. It's an advanced level. Right from introduction level towards the advanced level, you have the courses here. And just scroll down, you can see lot of courses available. And once if you click on education and development, you can see AI education introduction. And you can see, are you ready for the postgraduate study, which completely related to the education thing. Okay, and once if you scroll down, you can go and see further thing like health, sport and support, health, sports and photography, sorry, psychology. And once if you scroll down, you can see various things: science, math and technology. So you can see IT in everyday life. It's an introductory course, advanced course, intermediate course. Okay, once you can see, if you can just, if you want to enroll, click on that particular course, it will take you to the course details. Okay, so it's a 16 hours of study, it's a intermediate level, and you have to create an account to sign in. Okay, you have to sign in here to create an account. And you can see the course content here, like introduction, what is the introduction, what is the learning outcome, what are the things which they are planning to cover, everything you can find it here. It's a high standard courses, you can learn from here. Okay, and even if you wanted to type and search for it, okay, for example, I am just trying for blockchain. Let us see whether this course is available. I'm not sure whether this course is available or not, but anyhow I just wanted to try. Okay, I think it's not there. I'm just searching for network. Okay, sorry, networking courses. Okay, so networking courses, even I think, okay, so I think we have to go and search it here. Okay, so you can find various courses here. And I'm sorry, the website is not working. I'm just reloading it. Okay, so here you can just go and try for the courses which you wanted to learn. Okay, here you can find it. And if you wanted to go with the subject wise topics, so you can click here subject that inspires you, which subject you wanted to explore more, and you can learn it accordingly. Okay, study skills. So once if you click on the study skills, it will take you the study skills for you, like all my own work exploring academic integrity. It's a level 1 course. And here you can, in the left side, you can see you have various options. If you wanted to see only the activities, you can click here activities and see all my own. There is an activity here. Math skills for science, there is an activity here. And you can also see that you have guide to diagrams, there is an activity here. Okay, if you want to go with the free courses, and you can just go and select here what are the free courses you have, you can learn. Okay, introducing climate psychology, facing the climate crisis, developing business ideas for drone technologies. So you can see, and here you can find the level, okay, and what type it is. It's an article, okay, you can find it. And under that you can see the levels, okay, all levels it is showing here. You have to select level 1 or level 2 or level 3 or whatever. And then length of the course, okay, what length of the course you wanted to go with. If they wanted to you if you want something like 1 to 3 hours of course, then you can select it. If you want only 4 to 9 hours of course, you can select it. So if you are very strict to the time, if you are bound to time, then you can select that and learn for that. Okay, so you have lot and lot of options to learn here. So this, you have to create an account here, you have to create accounts, and then you can sign in and learn. Okay, share this knowledge. If you have any queries related to your career, your path, your interview preparation tips, mock interview, you can book a call with me. I can teach you like how to prepare for the interviews and everything. I will leave this link in the description so you can make use of it. If you have any other doubts, please leave that in the comment. I will definitely help you out. Thank you, take care, bye bye.